aside from just kind of all the people and the design process being confusing for a lot of people
Sure.
and complex, the actual house itself is more complex, and that can be, due to construction methods, the internal systems of the house, how it interacts with the climate. What other ways is building a home today harder than maybe it was for somebody of our parents' generation?
Well, there's a lot of things. I mean, I'm going to touch on some of the things you already mentioned, right? But building science is at a completely different place than it was, and we build houses completely different than the way we used to, right? Houses used to breathe a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Now we build Yeti coolers, right? And we say, hey,
Yeah.
nothing else in. We're going to protect this environment, right? Especially in Houston, where we are today,
Yeah.
right? Hot, wet, moist, nasty climate, right? Anybody else want to move here? It's amazing. But
It's great for 3 months out of the year.
absolutely. Food is great here, by the way. But the other thing is we're all so connected in this generation with the internet in our hands and all these, I call it architecture candy websites that show
Right.
all these amazing houses, and everybody's looking at all those houses. They come in wanting all these amazing things, right?
Yeah.
And so that causes some challenges for us and the whole team, right? Because most people are trying to execute and their expectations at a very high level, and we have to align that with a realistic budget,
With the budget.
of what they want to spend.
Right.
So that's another complicated piece of the puzzle. And then it's also a very litigious society that we live in today that didn't used to be that way.
Mm-hmm.
So we really have to dot our I's and cross our T's and make sure that these balls aren't dropped, because everybody's looking for a way out when there's a problem.